updated version of a Cobb salad. Always bake your bacon. 15 to 18 minutes or until it's as crispy as you like it at 375, 400. Nice hot oven. Bye-bye. I take a little bit of crumbled blue cheese. This happens to be smoked blue cheese crumbles or your favorite blue cheese. A couple of fat cloves of garlic. A handful of fresh parsley. And a palmful of fresh thyme. White wine vinegar. And always when we make dressings, it's a 3-to-1 ratio of your acid to your oil. A couple of good fat glugs of our olive oil. A little black pepper, weight and salt, salted at the end if it needs salt at all because of the saltiness of the cheese, of course. Coarse black pepper. And I like to sweeten it up a little with a little super fine sugar or a drizzle of honey or light agave. Turn that on and let it go until it's nice and smooth. For 4 people, you need about 1.5 pounds of meat total. You can use flank steak, skirt steak, flat iron steak, whatever has a great price and looks terrific in the meat counter. Those are all kind of interchangeable. So now we're going to add a little bit of high temperature cooking oil. You can either add it to the pan or the steak itself. Another rule for cooking any protein is to preheat the pan, but to also take the chill off the meat. So you want to take the meat out of the fridge and get the chill off, because when we put something very cold onto something very hot, it seizes. So we want it to relax, come to room temperature, and once we put the protein into the pan, do not touch it until it develops its color and until it feels like it's going to give freely away from the pan. Season side down, then season the opposite side. We season from above so we can see where the seasoning is going, and so we know we're seasoning evenly. So on this steak, I put a little salt and pepper. I also put a little sprinkle of granulated garlic and granulated onion. For the salad itself, I have romaine, any greens you like, celery with the leafy tops, and carrots, because celery and carrots, hello, have you ever had wings without a side of blue cheese dressing? These 2 babies love blue cheese. So we're gonna use celery and carrots. We've got some hard-boiled eggs, thanks to our friend Jeff. And we have some cherry tomatoes. And we're just gonna toss this all together. I love to take a vegetable peeler and make big long strips of the carrots, fill a bowl with ice water, and you put the carrots in, and they make little curly cues. They're so cute. These are the curly cute carrots, adorable. I know, they're so cute. And here's our blow your mind tomatoes. What's up? And then we're gonna just get in it. I know! Yes, it is! Yes, it is! Yes, it is! Oh, come to mama, you blue cheese beauty! Okay, then we've got some of our perfect eggs. And what goes with eggs? Bacon! Giant bacon crumbles all over the top. Yes. And then look at our perfect steak, lovely alongside. Come on. Woo!